Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture of Modify. In this lecture, we'll be talking about how to load different families into the project, different doors and window families. So, as you have noticed that we don't have many options here, like we have only single flush door here. So, to load different types of door here, we go to load family option, then we go to libraries here, and then you can see multiple folders here. So, we'll go to India, and then you have all different types of family available here. So now we want a door here, so we'll be going to door folder, and you can see different types of door available here. And so this is the residential uh, house, so we'll be going with residential here. Then you can see multiple door option here. You can click on that and you can see a preview here. So yeah, we have different types of door available here, which we can load into the project. Yeah, so these are families which can be loaded into projects. So we'll be going with yeah, internal single panel door, and we'll be clicking on open, and here we can see multiple dimensions available. You can select anyone right now, and then you can edit all the dimensions once you load them into the family. Be selecting this. Okay. Yeah, now you can see one family loaded. You can load multiple families at a time. You just need to click on those. If I want this as well as this there, and just click on control and then select it. Now you can see two families are loaded simultaneously. You can select multiple families which are needed. Don't unnecessarily load all the families, because if you load the family, your Revit file gets larger and larger. So load those which are only required for your project, and not unnecessarily loading all the files. So I'll not load these, I'll just load one of them. I load this. But so two loads I am placing there. Again, the same. If you want to change the direction, just place the space bar here. Let's go to 3D and show this in the list. You can see both the doors. Uh, Now we'll be loading some windows the same way. You can see load the windows. We'll go to window here, and then again don't have many options available here. We'll go to load family again. Now we'll go back. We'll go back to India, and then we'll search for Windows option. Yeah, you can see multiple options available here. This this will be applied on the ceiling. So don't load these for now. Windows here. So we'll be going with this, and yeah, we'll be loading this one. Go with this open. We can see the window on this outside, and covering that. And again, if you want to change the place positioning of that, then can do this, or just can use align tool and just go for basically windows into 3D. Yeah, you can see the window placed here and here. So this is how the load family option works. So we need to load anything, we go to load family and then select the family which we want. Yeah, this is only the load family. If you load a family into a project, the family will not be loaded into every project you open. So every project you need to load them separately. So this is only, the family is only limited to this project. You need to load it again to restart the project. So that is how the load family option works.